guys, and welcome once again to Munich Tour Tips TV for another virtual walk through the city. Please remember to tap the subscribe button and the notification bell if you'd like to see the videos that I'm producing on a regular basis on this channel. And today we're walking from Marienplatz to Isartor station. Now there we can see the spire of the St. Peter's Church, which is the oldest parish church in Munich. It has a 91 metre or a 299 foot tower and is commonly known as the Alter Peter or the Old Pete, and is emblematic of Munich. The original church dates back to the 12th century, guys. As we make this walk through the city, folks, we'll be walking through the Victorian Market, which is a lovely market in the centre of the city where you can find a nice spot of lunch or a snack. There's a beer garden as well when everything is running up correctly. At the moment we're in Corona time, so the beer garden is closed, but we'll have a look at that in a moment. As we come around the other side of the St. Peter's Church here, we can see the little cabin where you pay your fee to take a walk up the tower. You can see there €3 for adults, and you can take the walk up the top of the tower to the St. Peter's Church and get fantastic views over the city. And on a nice crisp clear day like we've got today, you can also see views of the Alps, which is absolutely magnificent. So have your camera at the ready on a nice clear day if you decide to go up at the top of the St. Peter's Tower. We can see the Trinity Church over to the left here, guys, which is a religious building in Munich. It's in the Bavarian Baroque style according to the plans by Giovanni Antonio Viscardi from 1711 to 1718. It is a monastery church of the Carmelites. The vast majority of the churches in the city are Catholic churches because historically this part of Germany was a Catholic region. So as we cross the road here, guys, we're heading to the Victualian Market, or the Victuals Market, developed from an original farmer's market to a popular market for gourmets. It covers an area of 22,000 square metres, has 140 stalls and shops, and offers flowers, exotic fruit, game, poultry, spices, cheese, fish, juices and so on. Most of the stalls and shops are open during the official opening hours, Monday to Saturday 8 AM to 8 PM. But the beer garden doesn't open until 9 AM, as if that's a little bit too late. The market also hosts a number of traditional and folkloric events, such as the weighing of celebrities, Brewer's Day, Gardener's Day, and the opening of the asparagus season, and the summer festival. The dance of the market women on Shrove Tuesday, etc. The Victualian Market has been a pedestrian zone since November the 6th, 1975, and is also a meeting point for people in the city. The water in these fountains is drinkable, guys, so you often see people filling their water bottles from the fountains in the marketplace. And as you can see, you're certainly not sport for choice when it comes to food offerings here. But it's also a good little tip to come over here when during your stay if you want to buy gifts to take back home with you, because you can buy very nice handcrafted goods from the stalls at very competitive prices that make ideal gifts to take back home for your folks. There's a nice fish stall here, guys, and a wine stand as well in this corner of the marketplace. As I say, we're in Corona times at the moment, so things are slightly different. As I've mentioned already on the channel on my videos, what I'll be doing is when things get back to normal again and open up, I'll reproduce similar videos so that you can make comparisons between what's been going on during the Corona period and what it's like normally. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it won't be too long before we're back to normal. So what we're doing now is we're making our way from the Victualian Market down towards Isartor station, which is an S-Bahn station. And the walk that we're doing right now, for people of a moderate pace, would take you, you know, several minutes, between 7 and 10 minutes typically to do this walk. But as you saw from the Victualian Market, there are lots of distractions en route, so give yourself, you know, an hour to have a little look around this area. You've got a series of cafes and small eateries down here as well. There's a little vegan cafe down on this area as well, further down the road on the other side, for people who are vegan and are looking for a little cafe somewhere to eat. There's one just down here on the left on the other side of the road, as I say, and a couple of little wine bars as well. Across the road here, guys, any of the roads running off of here, like this one that we can see here, would take you over to Thal, which is the main thoroughfare from Marienplatz to Isartor. And I've actually previously done a video as well, walking from Isartor up to Marienplatz via Thal. So if you look through my videos, you can see that one as well. Now we can see the Isartor gate in the distance, guys. That's where the train station, the S-Bahn train station, is also located. And again, the Isartor gate is covered on my video of that particular virtual tour from the Isartor gate to Marienplatz. You can see there's some parking down here as well, which is something that I get asked quite a lot from guests on my tours. We're nearly there, we've got a hire car, where can we park? So there is a car park in this area here and general parking, but it has to be said, guys, it's pretty difficult to get a space generally. My advice is always to park outside and use the excellent transportation system that brings you into the city. Benches down in this area as well, so if you grab a bite to eat to take away with you, you can find a bench to sit down here as well. It tends to be a little bit quieter, but you can still get to where all the action is, as I say, via Thal, which is one of the main thoroughfares through the city. So thanks for your company once again, guys, on this virtual tour. Always a pleasure to take you through the city, especially in these times when people can't travel. To be able to offer virtual tours, I think, is something that people seem to enjoy. I hope it gives you a little taster for the city as well. And please remember, if you'd like to do a tour when you're in the city, do check out our website at evansguide.net. And hopefully I'll be seeing you in Munich very soon. All the best to you guys.